Meet Xchime, the full HD Wi-Fi video doorbell that brings home security to your fingertips. There's no need to worry about missing or misplaced packages when you're able to chat instantly with whoever's at the door.
Hi.
Hey there. I have a package for Mrs. Johnson.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Yeah, just leave it by the door.
Take care.
You'll never need to be interrupted by unexpected guests.
Can I help you?
Hey, I was wondering if you'd like to buy some magazines today.
No, thank you.
Plus, Xchime's infrared night vision camera has a smart sensor to deter unwanted nighttime visitors.
Sir, can I help you?
You'll love being able to monitor your front door activity 24/7 from anywhere in the world, all in real time.
I'll be right there.
Rest assured that you'll know exactly when your kids arrive home.
Hey, I'm home.
Hi, sweetie. I'm happy you're home. I'll see you in a little bit.
You won't even realize how helpful Xchime is until you need it most.
Oh no.
Let Xchime's HD streaming 24/7 home monitoring and secure cloud storage give you peace of mind anytime, anywhere. Pre-order the most multifaceted smart video doorbell today at xchime.com.